Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. Welcome to the channel MANJULA.K Manoj.M. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to transfer message from one PC to another PC through Cisco Packet Tracer application. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Yeah, let's start the video. I will click on Cisco Packet Tracer. Yes, the application is opening. The application has opened. For transferring a message from one PC to another PC, we will put two PCs. Let's click on end devices, this one, and then click on PCs, select that and place here. And again, select one PC and place here. I will zoom this thing. Let make it at the middle. Zoom it, okay. Then click on these connections and then click on this. It will automatically choose the connection type. Then click on this to this. If you look the connection, it is look as copper crossover because PCs are same devices. Let me try to for different devices. I will choose one switch and another one PC. Okay. Yeah, then click on connection, then click on this one and then connect it. Then it will show like this. See, copper straight draw. If the devices are different, it uses copper straight draw, but if the devices are same, it uses copper crossover. Okay, let's delete this thing. Okay, then I try to transfer a message from this PC to this PC. Let's see whatever may happen. This shows that PC has no functional ports because we didn't give the IP address to any one of the PCs. Let's give the IP address to the PCs. Click on this and then click on desktop. You will find IP configuration here. Then give the IP address as 10.0.0.1. Then the subnet mask it will automatically took. Okay, then click on wrong. Then let's click on this PC. Same thing, desktop, IP configuration, IP address. Let's give the same IP address for this PC also. Let's check whether it takes or not. It will definitely don't take that 10.0.0.1. This address is already used in the network, that is showing that thing. Then let us give 10.0.0.2. Okay, then the subnet mask is automatically taken. Yeah, let's check the IP address of both the PCs whether it is taken or not. Let's see. Yeah, it's taken 10.0.0.1. And then click on this PC. Yeah, it's also taken. Let's transfer the message from this PC to this PC. Yeah, you are saying successful here. Yeah, let's see this through the simulation. I will simulating that. Yeah, the message is transferred from this PC to this PC. And then if you click on this, the message is transferred from this PC to this PC and you are seeing the right mark. That means the message transferred successfully. I hope this video helped you. You learned something from this video. If you feel like, yeah, I learned something, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comment about this video. I will end up this video here. Thank you for watching.